Phrasal verbs used by native speakers. Back up. Don't worry, I will back you up in the meeting. He backed up to let the other car pass. Turn away. Consumers are turning away from traditional banking apps. He turned down the job offer. Get up. I usually get up at 7 a.m. We need to get up a plan for the meeting. Warm up. You should warm up by stretching before you start running. I can easily warm up to the soup in the microwave for lunch. Find out. I need to find out the truth. She wants to find out about the coffee shop. Fall down on. The project is good, but we fall down on the marketing part. I'm quite good at speaking English, but I fall down on the written tests. Do with. I am exhausted and could really do with a cup of coffee. What did you do with the car keys? Do up in. A present done up in a colorful paper. They bought an old cottage and spent the summer doing it up. Go up. The price of groceries has gone up this year. We need to go up to the 3rd floor. Take up. She decided to take up yoga to improve her health. She recently took up painting. Speed up. We need to speed up the production process. The train needs to speed up to arrive on time. Grow up. He grew up in the countryside. Grow up, stop acting like a child. Catch up with. Go on ahead, I'll walk faster and catch up with you. Let's grab a coffee and catch up. Cut off. Heavy snow cut off the mountain village from the main road. Remember to cut off the fat before you cook the meat. Account for. How do you account for the sudden drop in sales? Renewable energy accounts for 40% of the city's power. Get around. You really need a car to get around this city. The company found a way to get around the new tax regulations. Get at. His boss is always getting at him for arriving late. The investigation is trying to get at the root cause of the problem. Get away. I am so stressed at work, I really need to get away for a few days. The meeting ran late, so I couldn't get away from the office until 7 p.m. Get back. What time did you get back from the store? I need to get my book back from John. Get off. I need to get off the subway at the next station. Please get your muddy boots off the rug.